EA Sports. It's in the game.
Hi there everybody, Martin Tyler here along with Alan Smith, and our match today comes from the Premier League. The game today, Liverpool will play Swansea City. Talking about Swansea as a Premier League club, it was pretty close towards the end of the 16-17 campaign, but they brought in Paul Clement as manager, and he did a fantastic job to maintain their status.
Yeah, they've endured a bit of a wobbly time, haven't they? Made some managerial appointments that didn't quite hit it off, but they'll be hoping now that they can really solidify their place in the top flight.
Anfield now bigger. The massive stand that was opened in 2016 has increased the capacity. It's made it perhaps less intimate here, but still a very special place.
Yeah, I mean, this new stand that we're sat in at the moment, I think they have made a good job of it. It's nice and steep and not too far away from the pitch.
Today's referee is Craig Pawson. Kick-off coming from Liverpool. Roberto Firmino. Good link-up. Coutinho! And he's put it away beautifully. Well, it's a goal worth replaying over and over again, isn't it? The lead now is with Liverpool. Now he's got the ball back. Carroll. Routledge. And he's moved in trying to jostle the opponent off his stride. Joel Matip. Henderson. He can cross it now. Coutinho. And that will end the threat, at least for the moment. And that will be Liverpool's throw-in. And that tackle has got him the ball. Squeezed in against the touchline. It will be another throw-in. Coutinho. That's a good ball, isn't it? They're on the attack now. He's going to try it. Well, he's had a go.
Well, if you don't buy a ticket, as they say, and fair play to him for having a crack.
Jordan Ayew. Well, he's got the ball there and dealt with the danger, really. Jordan Ayew. And now he's looking for some support. Olsen. He's got room to hit this, and they celebrate an equaliser here. Well, the equaliser has happened. Took perhaps the opposition by surprise, but we're level again. It's what they've deserved. Well, I want to see this again, this goal. So away we go at 1-1. Well, they're in a good position here. They've opened them up here. Well, that could have given them the lead. It would have given them the lead, but it's still level. Presented possession to the opposition now. Jordan Ayew. He's cut out that pass. It wasn't an accident. He read the mind of the opponent. Roberto Firmino. Coutinho. Brilliant team play this, with the passing, the movement off the ball to make the passing possible. Carroll. Roberto Firmino. Not a good challenge by the defender. Henderson! Liverpool will get the throw. That's an easy interception because the pass wasn't really a very thoughtful one. Well, here comes the support. Roberto Firmino. And in goes the cross. Henderson! He's hit the frame of the goal. Pick his spot now. What a header and what a goal! Liverpool have got the goal.
Well, it was a great delivery into the box from that left-hand side.
It's where they look dangerous.
Well, it was just perfect from the delivery to the finish. Top marks.
Liverpool are leading now. One shot, one on target for Swansea City.
Well, it's been a great example of the forwards particularly keeping their eyes on the ball, keeping their head over it and making sure they hit the target here.
Good piece of tackling then. Half-time now, and 2-1 is the score at the break. So the first half has come to a close with some decent football being played. And here we go, the referee's blown his whistle, and we're off for the second half. Carroll. And they're keeping the ball now, passing it nicely. Carroll! And it's an equalising goal here. If you thought that the favoured team scoring would kill them off, you'd be wrong. They've roared again.
Yeah, and it's great to see, isn't it, a team like this stick together and really get the very best out of the players. No heart in mouth time for the player that's hit it, but he's got his just rewards. It's a goal.
The game restarts at 2-2. Back to him again. It's a real tussle between the two of them to try and get the ball. And no chance for the opposition to get away because that's a great tackle. Looking down at the Swansea bench, there's going to be a substitute brought on. Martin Olsen. Moving forward with some danger to the opposition now they're here. Oh, that was a close one, I think. The manager's going to bring on a fresh player now. Joel Matip. Jordan Ayew. And that's good support as they build this attack. Substitution for Liverpool. Coutinho. Lovely one-touch football. And here's the shot. Great stop. Corner now for Liverpool. And we're going to get substitutions from both managers. And it's a header. Liverpool take over possession again. Now the shot! Very good stop here. That's offside. And the referees acknowledge that fact. Just a change now. He's bringing on a new player. Emre Can. Well, he's cleared the danger. Liverpool will get the throw. And in goes the cross. A decent fist away by the keeper. Fernando Llorente. Joel Matip. Freshening it up, Liverpool, with the substitute now. Roberto Firmino. Brilliant football from this team. We'll feel good about that. A really strong and clean tackle. Sung Young Ki. That's an easy interception because the pass wasn't really a very thoughtful one. On the attack here. You don't see that so often. Just glided past him effortlessly. Sung Young Ki. Federico Fernandez. Well, we're playing mind games here as well as the actual game of football. Are they prepared to risk losing to try and win? We're going to find out. It's still level pegging in the closing moments. And it's still level. And there is the final whistle after 90 minutes. He's going to take the first penalty. Up he comes. Splendid goal here. And is he going to be up to the task here? I'm not sure. Hit the bar!
Well, I think the pressure got to him there, Martin. He's let his team down, unfortunately.
And scores in the bottom corner.
Well, he's tucked it away really well, just to put inside the post.
Oh, it's in there. And here he is, rather nervously, I must say. And he scores his penalty. That's a good penalty. These shootouts very testing. Well, up he steps. There's no hiding place. And he looks apprehensive. Splendid strike for the goal. Well, the pressure really on, isn't it? He has to score, otherwise they lose. And they've got a good penalty taker in this fella. So the spotlight turns to this player. Score and they win. It's as simple as that. If only it was. And he's put it away to get the winning penalty.
Well, it can look easy, can't it? And he's made it look easy there.
Oof, the penalty shootout, such a nerve-wracking event. And it's been decided by that. I hope you've enjoyed it. From Alan Smith.